This is Arcapush, where 5 coded products gets discovered. A startup registry built exclusively for solo founders and indie builders. Every founder who lists here has to write mandatory problem statements, no fluff and no vanity metric. Just read product suffering problems. That was makes Arcapush different from every other directory out there. Number one, you build in silence, nobody show up, marketing kills momentum, and Physi can't find you. That is why I built Arcapush. 3 steps to get index on Arcapush. List your products, we index you and get it discovered, and you are going to be indexed forever. Not like, okay, in 24 hours you are not going to be anywhere to be founded again. You are going to be in our registry, except if you are not in the signal again after the 20, because this signal consists of just 20 products. As time goes on, they are going to be going down and just going to be in or just the registry. As of today, we have 31 startup index live on Arcapush, and these are many of them. This just listed this morning. I just approved it this morning, and this one is our 30th startup that indexed yesterday. I posted something on my X yesterday that I have a surprise for the 30 startups. I was not able to do it because I was having runnings too much. But today I'm going to do that. As promised, I'm going to do that. These are the products that are in the signal as of the time of making this video. Investors, collaborators, early adopter browse, category, stage, and problem space. We are scrolling. We are not scrolling through popularities, we are finding signal. So let's jump on one. I don't want to jump on my own. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, let's check this digitally. See, Italy, their own problem statement says that set digital problem and deliver automatically, founded by Bangash and listed on 3rd April 2026, category e-commerce. Let's check for drama and approach. Okay, let's check Ghost URL. Ghost URL is a precision AI startup audit. The problem statement says there are a lot of builds every day. Yes, they don't get tangible feedback. That's why we built Ghost URL, an honest and no roughly AI powered audit based on your stack, US and copywriting. Listed on April 1st, founded by Mujib, category developer tools. And now when you get listed on, if you are not on the signal again, you can post it, but let's go to registry before we go to the price inside of it. This is where all the products are going to be if they cannot be founded on what's recorded again. They cannot be founded on the registry again. And why prompt rank is here is that it was supported because the prompt rank has by, I think, when we are still bought a $5 package, then that is like 30 minutes. So you don't have that again. We have upgraded it to another one. So this is all the products, like all the 31 of it. And if you want to check it category by category, you can definitely check it. Let's check developer tools. As we have like that's it. As you get index on N what's it called on Watsi on Arcapush is forever. Like there's nothing changed that in 24 hours you are not going to be to be found again. If you are not on the signal again, the latest signal, you are going to be in the registry forever and ever. And our pricing, you can play with crypto or pay with card. and we accepted what's it called. Apple Pay is accepted with our pay with card. Let's say now you want to list your products, and just click on here. Let's say your product is Real Tech. Just going to pick anyone you want to pick. Like this one on launch, ping your startup for 3 weeks. It's going to be ping for 3 weeks. Like this ping means like it's after the arrow. After the arrow, you are going to be seeing your products there, or any other one that is there, what's called, that is under the subscription or the premium. You are going to see it over there. See, pay with USDC or pay with Solana, and this is arrow pin for 1 month. Blog, why we build this, Google Pause, English Index, source from on Arcapush and BlindspotLab, and so on and so forth. And this one also. Pay with card. Let's say we pay with card. See, that's going to put your email here and it's going to show. See, you see Apple Pay supported as checkouts. That's just it with the pricing and about Arcapush. From a keyboard infinity to the registry. I started with a social discussion. Like this is just everything about where we began 16 years in the making. Definitely. In this 2024, vibe coding exploded. AI-assisted development tools meant more people than ever, with or without engineering background, were shaping real products. From went from idea to MVP in the days, a new kind of builders emerged, the vibe coders. But there was no central created place during documenting was being built. No encyclopedia of the stack being used, the tools being picked, the pattern emerging, directories existed, launch platform existed. None of them treated vibe coded products with the dates, credibility, and discoveries they deserve. Nobody was documenting it. That's the gap. That gap is where Arcapush was born, and we have been doing this. We were launching February 16th of this year, and when we first started, it looked like nobody's going to index here, nobody's going to come, and here we are on 31 index as of the time of doing this video. Come watch it today and bring your friends, tell your developer friend, like your solo founder friend or an AD builders that you know around you, and you are welcome anytime that you want to get index on Arcapush. Brainstorm with Gemini prompted into existence with Cloudy. Arcapush was built solo because these runners and users keep going away. The efficient came from the 16 years of watching products fail, not because they were bad, but because nobody could find them. The stack we use Nest, Apple, TypeScript, K1 CSS, Prisma 7, Superbase, Wagme FM. This was called our wallet connecting base meanings, the USDC payments that we are accepting on base. First say our host is so that where we are launch, and you are not just listing products, you are archiving a movement. History is documentation. It is organized record of what happened, who these words, why it matter, and what's come next. Most tech directions are noise. They capture the moment, not the meaning. Arcapush is built to capture the meaning, the stacks, the founder stories, the funding context, the cultural moment that made vibe coding possible in the first place. The product being built right now will define the next decade of software, and we are making sure they are found. The founder, Proof About Me, built by Mujib, Lagos, Nigeria, from our very studio, BlindspotLab. A Web3 strategist, vibe coder, solo founder, BE history education, interest of learning, 16 years of combined Web2 and Web3 experience, 14 products shaped solo under BlindspotLab, an AI-powered auditing, marketing, and strategy intelligence studio based in Lagos, Nigeria. Built in public, streaming the process, documenting the culture. Arcapush is the product that ties it all together. My portfolio, my eggs, our studio, and if you want to read this story, like why I built Arcapush, And we have some other stuff like what is going to be more one of the issues that people are going to be facing in years to come, and that's going to be waking of prompts. There are some products that are being built, but they are not yet to be built because the prompt is weak. So we will build Arcapush for creating a full stack for you, and also prompt rank to rank. Let's say you created your prompt another place and you want to raise the matter price to know, okay, is this thing actually working? You can use prompt rank. That's just it. And we want you to get found and start using that Arcapush today. List and index your products, and you are going to find it interesting. Get found, keep building. It is Arcapush.